Dear students, today we are going to take Unit 3rd poem, The Ball Poem, written by John Berryman. The poem is written by John Berryman. John Berryman, October 25, 1914 to Jan 7, 1972, was an American poet and scholar. He was a major figure in American poetry in the second half of the 20th century, as was considered a key figure in the conventional school of poetry. His best known work is The Dream Songs. So before we proceed, let's discuss the theme of the poem. First theme is everyone possesses something and lost it. It means when we are living in this materialistic world, every person has his belongings, and at one or another time, a person may lose these things. Why then we become so upset over losing something? So it is the natural tendency of human being that all the time we become upset when we lose something. Isn't it possible to buy another thing and be happy after losing something? Poet raises a question here. Can things be replaced by another one? And can a person be happy after losing something? कहने का मतलब है कि हर इंसान की बिलोंगिंग्स हैं, क्योंकि वो इस मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड में है, उसको कुछ ना कुछ तो चाहिए, और चीजें क्या हैं, वो टूटती भी हैं और गुम भी हो जाती हैं। तो उन चीजों के लॉस के ऊपर एप्सेट होना एक नेचुरल सी बात है। कई बार क्या होता है कि उन चीजों से हमारी मेमोरीज कनेक्ट होती हैं, और अगर वो चीज हमसे दूर चली जाती है तो हम बड़ा दुखी होते हैं। तो थीम पोएट यही बताना चाहता है, सबसे पहले तो वी शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल। सेकंड थिंग, वी शुड बेयर द लॉस। एक नुकसान को बेयर करने की, सहन करने की हर इंसान में एक पावर होनी चाहिए। एंड दिस थीम is illustrated by a boy in the poem. A boy loses a ball. He is very upset. A ball doesn't cost much, nor it is difficult to buy another ball. Why then is the boy so upset? एक बच्चे की बॉल गुम हो जाती है। एक बॉल खरीदना कोई बहुत मुश्किल काम नहीं होता, लेकिन फिर भी वो बच्चा अपसेट है। So let's read the poem to see what the poet thinks has been lost and what the boy has to learn from the experience of losing something. बॉल गुम हुई है, उसके साथ जो मेमोरीज कनेक्ट थी वो भी खो गई हैं। दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग कि एवरीबडी शुड नो द लॉस। सेकंड थिंग, वी शुड बी ब्रेव। हर इंसान को एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम इस वर्ल्ड में रह रहे हैं तो चीजें तो गुम होंगी, हमारे से दूर जाएंगी। तो हर इंसान को एक एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए कि जब हमारे से कोई चीज बिछुड़ती है तो उस लॉस को कैसे बेयर किया जाए। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोम। What is the boy now who has lost his ball? A boy has lost his ball. So what is the boy now? What will he do who has lost his ball? बॉल गुम हो गई है, वो क्या करेगा? What is he to do? क्या करेगा वो? I saw it go merrily, bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. So I saw it. I is poet here. It ball, मैंने इसको देखा, बॉल को जाते हुए। merrily bouncing, merrily means happily, bouncing मतलब मूव करते हुए, उछलते हुए। So here literary device is personification, because ball is described at it is going happily. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के जो ट्रेट्स हैं वो बॉल में आ गए हैं. तो personification is the figure of speech. Down the street and then merrily over, it went happily. There it is in the water. There was a water source where the boy was playing and the ball went into the water. Now the poet says, no use to say, oh, there are other balls. इसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा अगर बच्चे को कहो कि और भी बॉल मिल जाएगी. Because the boy wants the same ball. Why he wants the same ball? Because his memories are connected with that ball. And perhaps this is the first time that the boy has lost something which is very, very special to him. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. So, ultimate shaking grief. The boy is trembling with grief because his ball has lost and this ball was very dear to him. As he stands rigid खड़ा हो जाता है, उसको समझ नहीं आता क्या करे. Trembling, staring down. His legs are trembling, staring, घूर के देख रहा है उस बॉल को जाते हुए. All his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Harbor means water source, जहाँ पे बॉल गई है वो water source है. All his young days means childhood days. The memories of his childhood days, they also went into that water source where his ball went. ये सिर्फ बॉल नहीं गई पानी में, बल्कि उसकी वो सारी मेमोरीज थी जो वो बॉल के साथ चली गई. I would not intrude on him. Now the poet is saying, I don't like to interfere. There is no use to say that you will get another ball. वो कहता है मैं बीच में, पोएट कहता है उसको दखल अंदाजी नहीं करूंगा, इंट्रूड नहीं करूंगा, ना ये कहूंगा कि अ डाइम, कॉइन लो, अनदर बॉल इज वर्थलेस. ये कहूं मैं कि एक बॉल ले लो तो इट वुड बी यूजलेस. वर्थलेस मीन्स यूजलेस. क्यों? बिकॉज द पोएट वांट्स दैट बॉय शुड लर्न टू फेस द लॉस. बिकॉज व्हेन he would grow up, he had to face all these things. It is not only the question of losing a ball, but in his life, he would bear these loss at every step of his life perhaps. आज एक चीज गुम हुई है, कल और चीज गुम होंगी, तो वो उसको सीखना है. इसलिए पोएट ये कहता है कि मैं बीच में इंट्रूड नहीं करूंगा, ना ये कहूंगा कि और पैसे लो. इट वुड बी यूजलेस. He senses his first responsibility. For the first time, he is feeling this responsibility, that every person should have a responsibility of taking care of his or her things in a world of possessions. This is the world of possession. हमारे पास चीजें हैं तो एक जिम्मेवारी होनी चाहिए. अगर बच्चे की एक चीज गुम हो जाती है और उसको दूसरी लाके हम दे दें तो he would never realize that responsibility. Next time he would again lose it. So people will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Here, balls means memories, things, not only one ball. People will take balls. लोग हैं वो आपसे आपकी चीजें ले भी गए. Balls will be lost always. Things will be lost always. गुम होती हैं, वो खत्म हो जाती हैं. Little boy, he should learn that in the world of possessions, things will be lost always. He should learn these things. And no one buys a ball back. Ball back means the memories which are connected with the ball. No one buys those memories. नई बॉल आ जाएगी, but memories वापस नहीं आएंगी which were associated to that ball. Money is external, means money can't buy memories, childhood days, emotions. That's why he is learning well behind his desperate eyes. That is why he is learning. वो सीख रहा है उन desperate, sad, वो बेचैन आंखें हैं जो उस बॉल को देख रही हैं. वो सीख रहा है. क्या सीख रहा है? The epistemology of loss. Epistemology, knowledge. loss की knowledge कि जब गुम होती है कोई चीज, नुकसान होता है, तो उसके साथ कैसे डील करना होता है. How to stand up, how to deal with loss, knowing what every man must one day no, and must know many days how to stand. Every man should know this theory of laws, and most know many days. बहुतों को पता है how to stand, how to cope up with the laws. So students, come on literary device in the poem. First is alliteration. Balls, balls will be lost always. B, B and B is repeated. And no one buys a ball back again. B buys ball and back. Transfer epithet, shaking grief. जब एक second noun की qualities को यहाँ describe किया होता है, main की नहीं. Here is not the grief that shakes, but the boy. Grief नहीं, बल्कि boy tremble करता है. Personification, as I told you, merrily bouncing down the street. बॉल जो है वो बाउंस होके जा रही है.